Bonjour, back again. So I hope you enjoyed listening to the video and watching the video of Lou. C'est une ville très belle, n'est-ce pas? Au bord de la mer. So let's have a look at the quiz, the answers. I'm going to write these in as we go. So, did you hear the word for beach? You may know this already. So this is a feminine word and it's la plage. La plage. Okay, the sea, I just said, c'est une belle ville au bord de la mer, next to the sea. So, la mer, we've got the word for mother, which is mère, which is spelled differently, which is also a la word, but it's spelled like this, with an E grave. Mère, la mère is the word for mother, la mer is the word for sea, sound the same. You have to pick up the meaning from the context of the sentence, okay? The channel is actually the word for the sleeve. So the sleeve of your jumper or coat or blouse, because the stretch of water is long and fairly narrow, so that looks like a sleeve. So it's la manche. Okay, cliffs. Maybe a more difficult word, maybe, I don't know if you heard that one or not. So this is a plural word, so it's les, because it's plural. Les falaises is the word you need. Les falaises. And it's a feminine word, une falaise, for one cliff. You tend to see them grouped together, don't you? So, okay, the cliffs at Lou, it's more of a headland, really. But Cornwall, La Cornouaille, is well known for all of its cliffs, particularly as you go further south with the Lizard and Land's End. Waves. So waves are vagues. Again, this is a plural word, les, but it's a feminine, so I'll put those as feminine. Une vague. A vague is a wave. Okay. Seagulls. So you heard lots of noise from the seagulls. Les muettes, which is rather a nice word. And again, it's a feminine. Une muette for one seagull. Muette. It rains. Well, the word for it is the same as the word for he. So it's il pleut. Il pleut. Now this is an interesting word because the word for to rain is pleuvoir. Pleuvoir, but the noun, the rain, is la pluie. So the noun doesn't really look like the verb. Pleuvoir, il pleut. La pluie is the rain. Okay. Pleasant, it's like our word agreeable. So it's agréable. Agréable. Month, quite an easy one, I think you might know this. Is it masculine or feminine? Okay, so the days of the week are masculine, the months of the year are masculine, so they're le, so it's le mois, and they say le mois de. Donc en ce moment, nous sommes le mois de janvier. We are in the month of January, le mois de janvier. Pedestrians. Okay, so you may have seen in France, I was talking about if you see a road with a circle and a little person in it, it will be a rue piétonne. So piétonne, masculine, is pedestrian. Le piéton, piéton. And piétonner, pedestrianised, piétonner used as an adjective with an e acute, double n e acute. Les magasins, shops, you must know this, is very easy. Magasin, and that is a masculine, that is a le word. So you've now got quite a lot of vocabulary. You've got comment dire beach en français, donc on dit la plage. Okay, so that's a feminine word. Number two, comment dire, how do you say comment dire the sea? Say la mer, not to be confused with la mère, which sounds exactly the same actually for the mother. Okay, what's the word for the father then? Going off piece of it. Le père, isn't it? Le père. So la mer, the sea. The channel, la Manche. Cliffs are les falaises. I've got a feeling I've missed one out, haven't I? See. Oh, no. I think in my other, when I wrote this on a bit of paper, I think I had the word for rock. That was it, the word for rock, because we saw some rocks. So there's a group of rocks by the beach, which is rocher. Rocher, just in case you're interested. So, cliffs et falaises, waves, les vagues, feminine words, seagulls, mouettes, hein, les mouettes, it rains, il pleut, pleasant, agréable, month is le mois, pedestrians, piétonnes, shops, magasins. So, how many of those? So, if you had 10 out of 10, you would say 10 sur 10. Hein? 10 sur 10. Or you might have had 9 sur 10. I don't know. But anything above 5 would be good. And I would suspect that the word you might most commonly know would be see. That's 1. I think you might know it rains. Il pleut. Pleasant, you may know. Month, you may know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would think you would get those, especially see, month, shops. Pleasant, you may have had to have thought, oh, another word for pleasant, agreeable, agréable. Okay? Because pleasant, you could say, if a person is pleasant, you could say they were aimable. From the word ami, friend, they're friendly, aimable. But pleasant can be used more for a place. Agréable is more general word for pleasant, for a place or a restaurant or a cafe or the seaside where we've just been. So, I hope that you enjoyed the walk around Lou, and perhaps we'll do that again sometime. À bientôt!